In this video, I'm taking you on a walk through one of Mashhad's favorite night spots, the food market of Torgabeh. No fancy restaurants, no big signs, just the smell of corn, the sound of laughter, and the kind of energy you only feel at night. I wanted to capture the real vibe, the people, the noise, the food, the warmth. So put on your headphones and walk with me. Let's see what a night in Torgabeh really feels like. The night in Torgabeh starts slow, but it never stays quiet for long. You walk down the street and the air already smells like food, smoky, sweet, and alive. Every few meters, a new light, a new sound, laughter, frying oil, the hiss of boiling water. Vendors shout out their specials, potatoes, corn, fava beans, all simple, all perfect. You don't even need to decide. The smell makes the choice for you. You stop for a second, not to film, not to think, just to feel it. Everywhere you look, there's movement. Hands serving food, lights flickering, steam rising. And somehow in all this noise, you feel calm. You grab a cup of tea, nothing fancy, just hot, sweet, and perfect for the cold air. The vendor smiles, says, "Enjoy," and for a second, it feels like home. The camera moves through the crowd, lights reflecting off the wet pavement. Everything feels alive. And maybe that's the real beauty of this place. It doesn't try too hard. It just is. Warm, noisy, full of life. You take one last look before leaving. The smoke, the lights, the people. You smile because you know you'll be back. Torgabeh, A night that feels like home, even if it's your first time here.
شماره 64.
If you felt the vibe, if this walk made you crave that midnight snack, you know what to do. Drop a comment. Tell me your favorite night spot. Maybe I'll walk there next. And if you want more walks like this, just hit subscribe. No pressure. See you in the next walk.